Zip something up. Zip something up. Pack somebody's bag. Pack somebody's bag. For example, after packing my bag, I zipped it up. Zip something open. Zip something open. Throw away. Throw away. For example, I zip my bag open and take out what I don't use so often and throw it away. Tuck in somebody's shirt. Tuck in somebody's shirt. Button up. Button up. For example, I button up and tuck in my shirt in order to neaten it. Unbutton. Unbutton. Fold clothes. Fold clothes. I unbutton my shirt, take it off, and fold it. Tie a knot. Tie a knot. Tie shoelaces. Tie shoelaces. To tie shoelaces, we have to tie a knot. Untie a knot. Untie a knot. Comb somebody's hair. Comb somebody's hair. For example, I untie the knot and comb my hair. Fix somebody's hair. Fix somebody's hair. Tie up somebody's hair. Tie up somebody's hair. For example, I often tie up and fix my hair before I go to work. Stroke somebody's hair. Stroke somebody's hair. To tuck hair behind somebody's ear. To tuck hair behind somebody's ear. For example, I stroked my sister's hair and tucked her hair behind her ears because she was crying. Rub eyes. Rub eyes. Sneeze. Sneeze. For example, the flu made me rub my eyes and sneeze a lot. Yawn. Yawn. Pick somebody's nose. Pick somebody's nose. For example, the children yawn and pick their noses when their teacher is teaching. Go in. Go in. Scratch. Scratch. I let my right hand go in the left sleeve to scratch my left arm. Stir the water. Stir the water. Spill water on. Spill water on. For example, while using a spoon to stir the water, I carelessly spilled water on my shirt. Draw water. Draw water. Rinse. Rinse. For example, I draw water from the well to rinse the dishes. Remember to practice your listening, keep watching videos, and look out for these really familiar actions and how native English speakers talk about them and use them. In the meantime, to really practice your English, leave your phone number and email address in the comment box below, We look forward to hearing from you. That's it from me, Liesl, and Langmaster Learning System. Bye-bye!